There are three basic steps to producing CAD-CUT designs: cutting, weeding, and pressing. Of these steps, weeding is the overwhelmingly least favorite, and it can be time-consuming. Heat transfer vinyl with a sticky carrier, while very beneficial in cutting and weeding fine detail, can be counterproductive when it comes to getting the weeding job done quickly and efficiently. Some would say that it just sticks too well at times, causing the vinyl itself to break and slow down the weeding process. Now, there is a solution to these weeding woes that is convenient, affordable, and portable. Introducing the CAD-CUT Weeding Panel. This little beauty is space-saving with a 16 by 22 weeding area. It is lightweight, weighing in at a mere 9 pounds, and it achieves a temperature of 130 degrees, which is ideal to streamline weeding of most heat transfer vinyl with a sticky carrier. Before we see it in action, let's see what weeding looks like without the aid of the weeding panel. As you can see, this glitter flake, which is wildly popular with our customers, has a tendency to break and tear due to the resistance of the sticky carrier. This extends the time it takes to weed and increases the potential for user frustration. Let's try the same design, but this time utilizing the CAD-CUT Weeding Panel. Now you can see that using the weeding panel reduces weeding to a fraction of the time than without it. The heated surface softens the adhesive that holds the vinyl to the carrier, reducing the resistance and making the weeding a dream. The CAD-CUT Weeding Panel is your answer to increasing efficiency in weeding, which translates to increased profits for you. You can get more information by visiting stahls.com/vinyl-weeding-panel.